Hello everyone. As a lot of you are aware that India is hosting its India AI Summit in Delhi between 16th February to 20th February. A lot of us cannot travel to Delhi, and for people who are even attending in person, it's hard for them to attend all the sessions that are happening. In a given single day, they are hosting more than 250 plus sessions, including for people who are trying to see the live stream online. It's humanly impossible for us to actually go over every session for 250 video recordings, which are almost 45 minutes to 1 hour and a half long. So I thought I will make use of the AI capabilities now to get to learn the most that's happening at this AI Impact Summit. As most of you are aware, Claude came out with Cowork a few weeks back. I was waiting to try out this tool and I felt that this is the right opportunity to actually put it to the right use. So let me show you what I have done using Claude Cowork and looking at what India AI Impact Summit had loaded as its videos. So I went to Claude Cowork and I gave this task to Claude to say that go to this YouTube link, which is primarily the India AI streams link, and it has to make an Excel file for me. The file should have the video titles that was streamed 1 day or less, because there are some older videos also which I don't want to look at, and capture the number of views against each video. Well, this will help me understand if there are some popular ones that a lot of people viewed, which I can also then go and check. And once it creates the file, it has to pick up a few categories on its own and add a category value to each of those videos. Look at the beauty of this tool. It actually went to this page that is there from India AI YouTube channel, and it scrolled all the way till it actually hit a number where the streaming was more than 1 day old. So it kept scrolling, looked at the DOM, and then finally it came out with an Excel file where it not just listed the video titles, it also put the category names for me, and it also gave me a summary on how many videos were there against each of the category. Let me quickly show you what the Excel file looks like. Look at the beauty of this Excel file. How neat and clean, how very well put out, the right set of colors used everywhere. So it gave me the video title. If the video titles were long, it actually read through the complete name of the title and put it in the Excel file. It also gave me the views. Some views are obviously in thousands, some are less than 1,000 views. When was it streamed? And then it put a list of categories together and associated each of these videos against those categories. So these are the categories that it came up with. Now, I was interested in going over a complete category of videos rather than watching and getting a summary of individual videos. So, what I picked up was agricultural and food, and there were some 9 videos for agriculture and food. So, I went back to Claude and I told Claude, now filter all the videos in this file for the agriculture category and take their video links, because right now, if you look at my Excel file, it does not have the links. Go to NotebookLM on my browser and create a new notebook. Now, why am I using NotebookLM? Because NotebookLM is a Google tool and it can directly take in YouTube links and provide you with a transcript or a summary. You can create a podcast out of it. You can ask questions on top of it. So I directly used NotebookLM. One by one, add all those links in the notebook. Ask NotebookLM this prompt: give me a detailed overall summary of all the videos. Now, I want to do this because I want to understand for a specific industry or category what all kind of discussions were done in an aggregated level, and also provide me a short brief of each of the videos. Then provide me with what are the most exciting things that are happening in this field through AI, and where is India investing, as well as where the global opportunities are. Look at the way this Claude Cowork actually executed on this task. It fetched all the YouTube links, and then it went to NotebookLM as per my instruction, and it pasted all the video links over there. And I'll quickly show you what it did on NotebookLM. So it had gone to the prompt, created a new notebook, and it realized that you can give all the video links in one shot rather than pasting one by one. So it gave all the 9 video links over here, and then it picked up the prompt that I had exactly given and copy pasted it over here. NotebookLM came into effect and it provided all the things that I had asked for. It gave me a detailed overall summary, it gave me the briefs, it gave me where India is investing, what are the global opportunities, etc. Now, I had asked Claude to actually create this into a Word document. So, after it had done its job, it went, invoked a docx scale. All of these are actually skills for Claude. So, it invoked that scale and it created a Word document for me. And this is what the Word document looks like. Everything that was there on NotebookLM is exactly captured over here as different sections. But the most beautiful thing that I liked about what Claude did over here is it understood that the topic is related to agriculture. So look at the beauty of this tool. It actually put the headings in green color, associating it with the color of plants. And at the end, it also put in a footnote to say that this document was generated by NotebookLM with analysis of 9 agriculture and food category videos. The other interesting thing that also happened is while picking up the content from NotebookLM to put it into the Word document, Claude actually realized that there was just 8 brief summaries. So if you go back and look at the document, there aren't 9 summaries, but there are actually 8 summaries. So what had happened is that actually NotebookLM had consolidated the briefs of 2 different videos into one, and Claude was confused that it had given it 9 video links, so why did the summary come out for only 8? If you look at it, so video 7, video 8, it had actually combined 2 different videos under one theme because probably there was a lot of overlap in the summary and maybe even in the discussion. So NotebookLM actually gave me just 8 summaries, and no Claude actually figured out where those 2 consolidated videos were, and it separated it out and created 2 different video brief summaries from it. So, really love this tool. Please give it a try. IndiaAI Summit, if you want to learn everything that's happening, go and use this task, go and use this as an activity to learn about everything without spending a lot of time. This is how AI is going to save us a lot of time if we put it to right use. Let me know how you are learning about Claude Cowork, also what new is going on in the India AI Summit that you can share, put it in the comments so that I can also learn.